told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Kimc and the family led by Elizabeth Wangechi. This is an important day when we gather together to honor a life well lived and of course being short, and indeed we are also mourning the same life. Very sad indeed. Sir, I wish to acknowledge the presence of the family members led by Elizabeth Karenga Wangechi. Popote ulipo Karenga, can you please rise up and makofi tafadhali kwake? She is the cousin of Purity. Daniel Derito Karenga, the uncle. Makofi kwake tafadhali. Hopkins Karenga, cousin. Makofi kwake. We also have friends of Purity from the home, wherever you are, please can rise up. Family tafadhali, my friends of the family. Makofi kwao. And sir, a number of our students who left here, alumni, have been tweeting, and so far we have 15,000 tweets about this unfortunate demise of Purity. Many of them are in the media houses practicing, and quite a number of them have come here. Please allow me, before I come to the next item, to acknowledge their presence. The Standard Media Group, led by Cosmas, who left here to 6 camera person. Makofi kwa tafadhali. Of course, we have the print and we have also the electronic media. The K24, our intern, has come with the entire entourage of the newsroom. Purity, Wangechi, Karenga. This is none other than Thomas. Makofi kwake tafadhali. same time, please, if you are around, Cecile John Munene, Sincere Komen, Lena Kendi, Jerry Ominde, and Anthony Muridi, please keep coming. Advance to the podium.
Mkurugenzi mkuu, mwamini, msajili, wasimamizi wakuu wa idara mbalimbali, walimu, familia, ndugu, jamaa, marafiki, pamoja na wanafunzi wenzangu, hamjambo. Jina langu ni Tom Ndagwa, mwakilishi wa darasa la Broadcast Journalism mwaka wa kwanza. Ilikuwa Ijumaa ya tarehe 13 mwezi huu wa 5. Ijumaa hiyo ndio ilikuwa Ijumaa ya mwisho kuonana na mwenzetu Purity Wangechi kwenye darasa la kuanzia mida ya saa 5 hadi saa 7, tukiwa na matumaini makuu kwamba tungeweza kupatana naye tena siku ya Jumatatu, ila Jumamosi mwendo wa mchana tukaweza kupokea habari za kifo chake. Purity Wangechi alikuwa ni msichana mcheshi sana darasani, angetutumbuiza kwa vitu mbalimbali. Vile vile alikuwa na nidhamu sana, manake aliweza kukamilisha kazi za walimu mbalimbali na pia aliweza kutii maagizo ambayo yangetolewa. Wangechi pia alikuwa msichana mwenye ndoto, manake ukiangalia alikuwa na maono ya kufika mbali. Alikuwa anafanya video mbalimbali na kuziweka kwenye mtandao wa TikTok, ambapo aliweza kutumbuiza watu wengi sana. Hakika darasa la Broadcast Journalism 1 mwaka 2021 tutampeza sana mwenzetu na dada yetu Purity Wangechi. Kwa niaba ya darasa la Broadcast Journalism mwaka wa kwanza, tunatoa pole zetu kwa familia, ndugu, jamaa na marafiki. Kwa kweli kitabu kizuri ndio tumefika ukurasa wa mwisho, na vizuri kwa kweli havidumu. Alale mahali pema pepo.